This is our 1966 International Harvester Scout. So we are selling this truck on consignment on behalf of a local gentleman. He has owned the truck for just a couple years. This is a serious resto mod turbo diesel truck. Very, very far off from original, but really, really cool. You'll see it's got these the Angel Eye LED headlights, and then a LED light bar and fogs built into that custom front steel bumper. Flat gray finish. Right here, you see that little crack in the corner along the crease in the finish. That's the most significant blemish on the truck. Really, really clean overall. About 7,000 miles since the truck was built a handful of years ago. It's got a 4-cylinder turbo diesel VM Motori engine in it, a Ford automatic overdrive trans, and a NP208 transfer case. 35-inch Mastercraft tires, 20-inch black wheels. Looks really, really sharp against the flat gray. But the body, really nice and straight, no dents or dings. You'll note that sliding windows have been installed up front. The hardtop is bolted on, but it does come off. And you will note that there is a Dimple dive full roll cage in there, which is a nice hint at this thing being a truly capable, purpose-built off-roader. It certainly is fun to drive on the street, and you absolutely can do so and enjoy it. But where this thing is really going to be at home is making use of the suspension. It's got a custom all-leaf lift kit, Dana 44 front and rear axles, front disc brakes that were actually just redone last year. Excellent clearance, as these Scouts just have such a short wheelbase. You can see it's got, steps to climb in. It also has rock guards along the rockers underneath. Just very minor chipping along the inside of that wheel well. Super minor, but we're nitpicking here. You can see just around this front corner, there's some like fluid stains. Honestly, I have not buffed the truck as it's flat. Those very well may come out, but there are a couple little fluid stains around that front corner. Interior, custom dash, very to the point, bare bones. What's cool is it does actually have an R134 air conditioning system set up, so you can, be out in the desert enjoying the off-roading while having your air conditioning on. A really, really good Pioneer sound system, 8-inch subs in the rear, new autometer gauges, 7,113 miles on there, believed to be true mileage since the truck was built. Dark gray best top seats, front and rear. Close to new. Look really, really good. No punctures, no scuffs, nothing like that. There are seat belts both in the front and rear. And you can see, despite the full roll cage, there's a good bit of room back there.